Hello and welcome to my maths and reading application built with ESP.NET using MAUI. Is a multi-platform application for kids 5 to 8 years old where they can play maths and read books. Is built using ESP.NET protocols like MVC model view controllers, where we define the models, the views, and the controller for each view, as well as services. We have models describing the menu and the planets that will hold all the details about the menu list and menu descriptions, so we can add extra features in the future for the application, and the platforms that the MAUI app is creating for as a middleman for all the other devices as Android, iOS and Windows, and resources folder that will hold all the app icon, raw splash images, SVGs. I create an SVG for the application for the enter page as well as the icon, and the services that will describe, like the planet service, all the details about each planet that will be displayed dynamically when the planet details page will enter. So we can bind all these details as name, hero, description into the page clicked. And then we have the views. The main page is displaying a grid where we describe the background, all the image button with the home clicked function that will be triggered in the controller, that will push the application to the next page. In this case, if image button is clicked, then will be accessed the math click method, and the application will open the new maths page. In the views, we have as well all the maths options like math division, multiplication, subtraction that we can enter. Is the same way with a view, where we describe the containers containing the labels, the images with a click event, and as well an input method where we can input the answer. Here we define I define the random numbers to be generated, and then I input for a user that will need to be checked, and will display a correct answer, and if 5 answers are right, then will display a badge winner that is styled in the view to be gold, because it's more pleasant for the kids and more rewarding. As well, we have the planets page. That's an intro for the planets page. Before entering the planets universe reading, that will display all the list of most popular planets. And then we have the details page that will display each planet individually by binding the name, the subtitle, and everything we store in the model view. So let's run the application. We can run it on Windows, or we can run it on a iOS local device. So let's run it on a Windows machine and test it. As well, I've done a video after I installed the APK on my Android phone, and I uploaded it to YouTube, and is working very nice, and is very intuitive. So here you can see all the live test, the CPU and how much memory is processed, and now it's open. So we have a reading, a maths, and a developer page, and then we have a menu displaying very nicely animated. There we can choose the maths or the reading. We can choose the maths. We can change as well the profile photo. We can choose a different photo that will be displayed here in this section. Then we can play the maths. and let's say we need 5 right answer to display the badge, and voila. If we have a wrong answer, we can choose minus, multiplication, subtraction. If we choose a wrong answer, let's choose a wrong answer, will be validated, so an incorrect with a red cross indicating is wrong will be displayed. If we enter the read page here, we can add multiple reading books in future, so we can have this message here replaced with a different list of reading options. But in this case we have about the planets, so we enter the universe, and now we have a list of all the planets displayed in the nice carousel that we can click, and we can enter. Let's make it bigger then. Can enter, we can read about, and then we can see a galleries of photo, and we can have a back button, we can roll back, choose a different one, read again, go back. And that's about my application. I hope you enjoy it, and let's run a test on Android using my phone link. So maths, reading maths, this is the icon, SVG icon I created, and this is the name of the application that I've done it in the code. And let's run it, this one. So we have the same like the Windows, displaying the maths, displaying the reading, entering the planets, go home, displaying the developer details, and I added a link that we can access it externally if it's any internet connection. This application doesn't require internet connection unless this link is clicked, and will be redirected to my website, where kids can see any other application I built in future. So I hope you enjoyed my application, and I wish you a good day.